Sensation by Tanya Shatseva. Special Treatment version 3. We start off with electric diamonds that we have sprinkled on the lightest areas of the picture. So that would be where the light hits her hand, over here on this finger, over here on the side of her hand, and some other areas that appear as the whitest areas. Sprinkle your electric diamonds on there. And then for version 2, we've got labradorite crystals that we have sprinkled on the green areas. So these are the labradorite right over here, right over there. Those are labradorite crystals. Sprinkle it on the green swirls. And finally for version 3, we've got vermilion that we have sprinkled on all of the red areas. As you can see, there are some red areas over here, right over here where it's swirling, and of course right here on her lips as well. So sprinkle it on the red areas. Once again, for Swirling Sensation by Tanya Shatseva, version 3 special treatment, we've got electric diamonds, labradorite crystals, and vermilion crystals.